parents, guests, faculty, fellow administrators, and to our dear kindergarten graduates, good morning. Before I begin, may I ask a smile from you, dear kindergarten graduates? Where's your smile? Can you look back and smile as well to your parents? Say hello. Okay, thank you very much. Today, we celebrate your graduation, dear graduates. It is a great day indeed. It will even be a better celebration if you're happy. Are you happy? Are you excited like I am today? Great. Congratulations, dear graduates, parents, teachers, and administrators. You all deserve a big round of applause. Dear graduates, your achievement today reminds me of a story. Would you like to hear a story? This is a story about the 3 little pigs and a wolf. Are you ready to listen? Yes, I know you know the story. Can I see a raise of hand if you know the story? That's great. The 3 little pigs lived in a small house with their mother. One day, their mama sent the 3 pigs off to build their own houses. The first little pig was a bit lazy, and he built a house made of straw. A wolf passed by, he huffed, and he puffed, and he blew the house down, and what did the wolf do? He ate the pig. The second little pig worked a little bit harder, and he built a house made of sticks. A wolf passed by, he huffed, and he puffed, and he blew the house down, and the wolf ate the pig. The third little pig worked hard all day and built a strong house. He made a house made of bricks. A wolf passed by, he huffed and he puffed, but the wolf could not blow the house down. So the wolf also could not eat the pig. Now I have a question. Are you ready to listen to my question? Which little pig had a strong house and was not eaten by the wolf? Was it the first little pig, the second little pig, or the third little pig? Very good. The third little pig who worked hard all day and built a very strong house made of bricks. The lesson of the story, dear children, is to work hard and prepare for your future. Do not take shortcuts so you cannot be huffed and be puffed by wolves or problems that may come your way. Can you do that? Can you work hard always? Your parents and teachers have helped you so you can someday build a strong house. Please remember also to thank them each and every day. Thank your parents and teachers each and every day, and especially today. So I want you to please look back and say thank you to your parents. Everybody say thank you. Look back. Very good. Congratulations, graduates. Congratulations to your teachers as well and parents. And let me take this opportunity to say thank you to the parents here today. Thank you for making MMIS a part of your family's journey. And thank you also to the teachers and administrators for making this activity possible. May we always inspire each other to work hard and be grateful for the gift of children. God bless you all and have a great day. Thank you very much.